In this video, we're going to demonstrate how ArduPilot can work even if the vehicle travels a very long distance from home. So what I've done is I've loaded up a mission which starts in Newfoundland, Canada, and it ends across the Atlantic in Spain. And this voyage was an actual voyage, which was done by a French rower named Maud Fontenoy, I guess. Excuse my pronunciation. Any long distance mission would have worked, but I thought a real mission done by a real person would be perhaps a little more interesting. So I've loaded up this very long mission, and now I'm going to switch the vehicle into auto mode, and then arm it, and off it goes. Now, in the interest of saving some time, I've sped up the simulator by 20 times or so. So this way we'll get across the Atlantic in 5 hours instead of in many days or weeks. So off it goes. Also, I've set up this boat to be quite fast. It's traveling at 15 meters per second, which is a lot faster than Maud could row, I'm sure, but again, that's just in the interest of saving some time. And there we are. The boat has made it all the way to Spain and still controlling itself without any problems. Just to prove it, maybe we can try switching it into guided mode. There it is in guided mode, and we can make it drive over here. See, it has no problems. So there we go. No problem with ArduPilot crossing the Atlantic.